In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best coffee grinder available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best coffee grinder, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Coffee Grinder. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. OXO Brew Conical Bar Coffee Grinder. In our test, we were impressed with how the OXO bar grinder performed. It produced very even coffee grounds that could be used for espresso, cold brew and everything in between. The hopper features a UV blocking tint and an airtight lid, both of which help preserve flavor. It can also hold up to 3-4 pounds of coffee beans, the largest capacity of all the grinders we tested. Number 2. Breville BCG820 BSA Smart Grinder Pro. The Breville Smart Grinder Pro is designed beautifully for the pickiest espresso and coffee drinkers, including pour-over. It features 60 grind settings that produce some of the evenest results we have seen. The finest settings produces power by results that don't clump together, while the coarsest resembles the ground coffee you'd buy in a store. The grinder features a large digital Number 3. Cuisinart DBM HCRM Supreme Grind Automatic Bar Mill. The Cuisinart Supreme Grind Automatic Bar Mill offers 18 grinds, all of which are noticeably different from each other. The finest grinds well for espresso, the medium for drip and pour over, while the coarse is perfect for a cold brew and French press. The grounds container features a small hole through while grounds can pass easily and mess free into a coffee filter. Number 4. Krups Silent Vortex Electric Grinder for Spice. After a few unavoidable clanky pulses, the Krups Silent Vortex Electric Grinder was the coolest grinder we tested. While not silent, it had a muffled sound which would benefit the sleeping members of any household. In addition to being quiet, it also produced even grounds quickly. It has a small footprint, making it even more perfect for apartment dwellers. Number 5. Capresso Infinity Plus Commercial Grade Bar Grinder. Out of all the bar grinders we tested, the Capresso Infinity Plus Conical Bar Grinder was the quietest. Out of all the bar grinders we tested, the Capresso Infinity Plus Conical Bar Grinder was the quietest. Like the Krups, it too made a noticeable low muffled sound. It features 16 grind settings, each of which is easy to select with clearly labeled markings. Number 6. Java Press Manual Coffee Grinder. For those looking for the absolute quietest way to grind the coffee, a manual coffee grinder is your best bet. It also makes for an inexpensive alternative to an electric bar grinder. The reason we recommend the Java Press over the two other manual grinders we tested is in its handle. It was the most ergonomic, easy to use, and didn't slip off during testing. Its grind settings were also the easiest to control, and we liked that we could see the coffee grounds through the viewing window on the container.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.